Hello everyone, today I will show you how to buy Roblox gift cards online. If you are using the Roblox app, you won't find an option to buy or send gift cards. You can only purchase Roblox or a subscription directly. To buy a Roblox gift card, open a web browser like Safari or Chrome and go to roblox.com/giftcards. Tap Shop Gift Cards and choose whether the card is for yourself or a friend. You can then select either a digital gift card delivered by email or a physical card mailed to their address with a small handling fee. Pick a design, choose the amount, and add it to your card. At checkout, you can pay using a credit or debit card, PayPal, or Apple Pay. Once your order is placed, the gift card will be sent, and the recipient can redeem it at roblox.com/redeem to use for Roblox or Premium. It is a great way to send a Roblox surprise. And that is everything you need to know about how to buy Roblox gift cards online. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.